The function and working principle of light-burning magnesium ball press. Light-burning magnesium ball pressing machine can be the powder of light-burning magnesium powder, forced extrusion by the ball pressing machine. After forming, let the relevant industries to use light-burning magnesium powder ball pressing machine energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization of waste, has good economic and social benefits. The screw-feeding device of light-burning magnesium ball press is driven by electromagnetic speed-regulating motor. By pulley, worm reducer rotation will be pressed material forced pressure main feed port. Due to the constant moment characteristics of the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, when the amount of the screw feeder is equal to the amount of material required by the host machine, the constant feeding pressure can be maintained to make the pellet quality stable. If the feeding amount is too large, the current of the feeding device is overloaded. If the feeding amount is too small, the ball will not be formed. Therefore, skilled operation skills are an important condition to ensure the normal operation of light-burning magnesium ball press.